Hey, Mike Swanson, Wall Street Window here. The real estate in Danville, Virginia has been booming over the past couple of years. And sometimes people are taken aback by the prices that houses are selling for. However, I did a video a week ago of what was the most expensive home for sale, and it actually looked like a bargain. It's basically a mansion in that fancy neighborhood near Averett University. And the compared to other areas, the price is reasonable for that type of really high end real estate. But what about the mill houses in Danville? Let me show you one that just got listed on the market, and I want you to guess what the price is, and I'll show you the price, and then we'll say, is this a reasonable or not? Well, here's one for sale, and we'll take a look at the inside. It's 960 square feet. It just listed on the market 10 days ago. And here's a view of the front. Remember, 960 square feet. Here's the outside of it. And here's the inside. Now, when you look at the inside, you quickly realize that, hey, this property is actually been renovated recently. It's in very good condition. It looks like the walls have been painted recently, in fact. I mean, it's just in a good condition. There's no other way to put it. Um, so there you go. So how much do you think this house is selling for? Well, let me show you. $99,000, $99,900. Estimated at current interest rates, $504 a month. You're talking about 3 bedrooms, and you had a living room or kitchen area and a bath. Now it's on Ferry Road, which um, is on the Main Street area of town, in between Schoolfield and going towards Greensboro. There's a gas station on the right. That's Ferry Road. That's Ferry Road. Now, here's the thing about it, built in 1952, but it's contingent. So that means if you think that was an expensive price, someone else didn't. They've already put in a bid and they're already in the process of closing on the house, and it's not even listed for 10 days. So even if the prices seem sky high at times, and they do to me when I think what these things were selling for a couple years ago, they're not. And maybe they're not because of all the inflation we've seen in the economy. It's hard to know every single week if you just go to the grocery store, if you're paying a good price for a piece of chicken or beef or whatever, the prices seem to change every single week. And boy, it'd be nice to see these prices go down at some point. But it's very interesting when you look at the what they say about the property history. The thing was listed for 54,000 11 years ago. So in my mind, those are the prices I'm thinking of. But things have changed so fast in 2 years. And look, things are going to change in this area even faster in the next 3 years when the casino opens in 2024. It's going to bring so many more people to the area, fueling economic growth and so forth. Because when they build it, people are going to come. You're going to be seeing like 1,000 people a day inside that casino from all over the country. This is interesting to look at, though. This is the home value chart. So we can get an idea of how the prices have changed. And the thing about it is this thing is sold above what their projections were. But you can see how the real estate prices had been really stagnant for this property and really all the properties like it in Danville. But then that spike in 2020, I don't know really what that was, but you just forget about that. But you can see the slight dip in 2021, and it's been on the way up ever since. And that's what's been going on in the whole city. Now, you see that prices have leveled off. But look, despite the projection of the level off. This thing sold at a higher price than this thing was projecting and predicting. So real estate in Danville is still red hot. This was on the market for only 10 days and it's already got a contingent buyer. Look, I do videos about all sorts of topics. I do videos about news, politics, history, a lot of stock market videos, real estate videos, and some videos about Danville. If you want more videos about Danville, hit like. That way, on this video, that way I'll know to make more of them. And if you want to get my next video update, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it, and then YouTube will send you an alert as soon as it is up and for you to watch.